Come on. It's a good show. Surely. We should get a nib out of that. Oh, yep.
Ooh.
That's better.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a net job. You want to get it out? It's coming up like a cod now, though.
Big cod. You did say it'd take a big cod.
Yeah, big cod. Yeah. Oh, decent cod. Oh, there's another net inside out. Oh, f that just nearly ripped the rod out of my hand. Did you see that hit? Holy f. Holy f.
I heard the rod hit the side of the boat.
That was f. Yeah, that was wild. Might just mark this spot because there's a few fish there. Oh. Oh.
Better cod?
I just hit spot lock.
Because that, I didn't even hit the bottom. Still going down. No way. I'm calling cod.
Cod?
Yeah.
It doesn't have any big runs, does it really?
No. I have one soon. It's getting up off the bottom. I won't like it. Hold it.
I don't know what doofed me. Looks like it had teeth. There it was. Never know, it could be a big trouty. It's playing up like a trevally does though. But trevally should just peeled a heap more line by now.
String, yeah.
Cottage. Oh, that's what it'd do for me, I reckon.
What's that on the boat kids?
Oh, way. Oh. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh. That's a better fish.
second lift.
That's a trouty.
Much nicer cod.
Do you want the net?
Yeah, it's got weight.
Well, it could just be a big trout. Oh, there you go. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there's fish everywhere under us.
Really?
Yeah, I'm hitting spot lock. I don't want to say it, but it could be trevally. Just because the fish are all on the sounder. Yeah.
But I was pumping. Oh, I suppose they weren't very big. Like gold and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Pumping them up on this. I don't know, it just feels weighty rather than...
Yeah. Oh, there's some power for you.
Yeah, just come back.
Move it. I can see you fish on the sounder, whatever it is.
He's not fighting the whole time. That's just like...
Yeah.
it. Big cod.
Ah, old cod father. That's why you can see it on the sounder. He's just pinned. There you go. He's solid. He's solid.
Hey.
Let's watch this. Chuck him on the casting deck. All right. I don't think I've ever come here and not caught one big cod.
Really?
Yeah. They're always just massive.